Little storyteller.
Lily and Leo were twins with a very special toy, a time machine shaped like a bright red wagon. One sunny morning, the fluffy bunny, Snowdrop, hopped into their wagon. Hold on tight, giggled Lily, and with a push, they zoomed. They arrived in a green, leafy land with giant trees. A huge, wrinkly dinosaur with tiny arms stomped nearby. That's a T-Rex, whispered Leo. The T-Rex looked hungry. Lily and Leo opened their picnic basket. Inside were juicy red berries and shiny silver forks and spoons. "Hello, Mr. T-Rex," called Lily. "We have food, and we brought these to help you eat." She held out a little fork with a berry. The T-Rex sniffed the fork. It tried to pick up the berry with its short arms, but it wiggled and fell. The twins giggled. Leo offered a spoon, with a dollop of fruit. The T-Rex tried to scoop, but the spoon slipped. The T-Rex then opened its big mouth and gently took a berry right off the ground with its teeth. "Roar!" it rumbled happily, munching. Lily and Leo looked at each other. "Maybe he doesn't need forks and spoons," said Lily. "His teeth work just fine." Leo agreed. They all sat together, the twins eating with their forks and spoons, and the T-Rex nibbling berries with its teeth. Snowdrop the bunny munched on a clover. Soon it was time to go home. "Goodbye, Mr. T-Rex," they called, waving. The T-Rex roared a friendly goodbye. Back in their own time, Lily and Leo learned something new. Everyone has their own special way of doing things. Sometimes the way we already do things is the best way for us. Snowdrop twitched her nose, happy to be home.
Please subscribe. Thank you.